Thanks for joining me as we explore creating recurring events on WhatsApp 24/7. Let's begin. From your organization's dashboard, click on the Events tab. If you are starting with a new event, click Create Event. For my example, I'm going to copy this open mic night event I made in a previous video. Under the Actions menu, click Copy. In this event date and time section, I originally selected No. This event will not repeat, but I'm going to change that to Yes. Now let's explore the How Does It Repeat drop-down menu that just appeared. Click into the menu. The first option is to repeat this event every day. Remember to enter start and end dates. The next option is to repeat every week. This number of weeks field defaults to 1, but change it to 2 for every other week, bi-weekly, or 3 for every 3 weeks, and so on. Use this area to select the day or days of the week your event should repeat on. Don't forget to set your start and end dates here. Next, for the moment, I'm going to skip over the month option. Let's look at every year. With this option, you will select the ordinal number, then day of the week, then month of the year. Don't forget to fill out the start and end dates here, and note that for any repeating event, the end date should be the last date you want the event to occur. Now let's go back to that every month option. That's the one I want to use in my example. Just like the every week option, this field defaults to 1, which means this event would repeat every month. Change to 2 for every other month, 3 for every 3 months, and so on. If your event repeats on the same date each month, say the 1st, no matter what weekday that falls on, enter that here. But for my example, I'm going to choose an ordinal number and day of the week. So my event will repeat every second Friday. Here, I'm going to set the start and end dates. My first open mic night will be set for May 8th. Then under end date, I'm going to go out a number of years by clicking on the year at the top of the calendar and clicking right. Then I select the month and date this series of events should end. Since my other info is filled out, I will scroll to the bottom and click Create Event to save my changes. Back on our main event page, you can see that we have created a series of events that repeats every month. Notice that from this Actions menu, you can edit or delete this individual event, or the entire series that the event is a part of. Finally, check out our filters and pagination options if you are searching for a specific event in a long list like this. Thanks for joining me today. We have other event tutorials, including an intro where we create an event from start to finish, so don't forget to check those out. And as always, you can reach us at support@whatsup247.com for additional help.